And the winner is FiberX.
FiberX earned top recognition for its breakthrough approach to rethinking materials, replacing traditional polymers and forever chemicals with high-performance plant-based alternatives. Judges praised its strong research partnerships, deep industry traction, and meaningful environmental impact, calling it a powerful example of Indiana-rooted innovations shaping sustainable materials. Congratulations, Wade.
As a native of that beautiful city of Hammond, Indiana, and you know I'm being facetious, it's a pleasure to represent our team and our collaboration with the great Purdue University Davidson School of Chemical Engineering. A joint effort to not only create new products or a new company, but we are forming a new industry for the state of Indiana, taking the tremendous biomass left after our farmers harvest their products, and turning that into a new feedstock for the chemicals industry. On behalf of our team at FiberX, we are truly, truly thankful to get this award today. Thank you.